Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing a clean install with official media. This keeps you legal and safe. Use the media creation tool to make a bootable USB and boot your PC into setup. When the installer asks for product key, select I don't have a product key. This lets setup continue and install Windows 10 in trial mode. You do this because Microsoft permits installation without entering a key. Once done, Windows runs but shows activation reminders, and personalization options remain limited until activated. Once installed, go through OOB and sign in with your Microsoft account. This links the device for a future digital license. You can use Windows 10 normally, run updates, install apps, and browse. However, personalization settings are restricted and an activation watermark appears. Make sure to save files, set privacy options, and install drivers now so your system is ready. This approach keeps you functional while you decide. Purchase a key or obtain a legitimate license from your organization to fully activate and remove limitations. To finalize, purchase a genuine product key or use a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. Enter the key in Settings Update and Security Activation or click Add a Product Key. If activation fails, run the Activation Troubleshooter. This often fixes account or hardware ID mismatches. Make sure your device is online, and if you changed major hardware, choose I changed hardware on this device. If problems continue, contact Microsoft support for guided help. They can validate licenses and resolve account linkage issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.